muscle power. Okay, the third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscle power in parties, especially where we can see during elections. Since parties are focused only on winning elections, what is our focus? Winning elections. Then they tend to use what we do, use shortcuts to win elections. Okay, we all like shortcuts. Okay, direct way is very difficult. Okay, they tend to nominate those candidates who have or can raise lots of money. If you are a millionaire, a billionaire, what you can get? You will get a seat in the assembly or Lok Sabha elections. Okay, you can raise funds, you can be nominated. Okay, rich people and companies who give funds to the parties tend to have influence on the policies and decisions of the party. In some cases, parties support criminals who can win elections. See that? Rich people who is funding the party, or companies, they fund the party. What is that? They can influence the decisions of the party. And also sometimes criminals also are supported by the leadership. Okay, in order to win the elections. Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich people and big companies in democratic politics. If you are a Democrats, if you want to see better democracy, you will be under. You cannot be happy. You can't be happy because what is happening there? Rich peoples and criminals are entering to the politics, and they are having a large influence on the parties. It is not good for democracy. Then meaningful choice. The fourth challenge is that very often parties do not seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voters. Okay, meaningful choice must be given to the voters. That is the essence of democracy also. You studied that. But it is not at all possible now. Okay, someday it is not possible. In order to offer meaningful choice, what is there? Parties must be significantly different. One party should be different from other. Then only we can see that this party is different from that party. In recent years, there has been a decline in the ideological differences among parties in most parts of the world. Okay, you can see ideological differences have been decreasing. Therefore, you are not getting a different choice. For example, the difference between the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in the Britain is very little. Okay, Conservative Party and Labour Party in there, what is the difference? Became very less. They agree on more fundamental aspects. Okay, they are agreeing on the fundamental aspects but differ only in details on how policies are to be framed and implemented. In our country too, you can see the differences among all the major parties on the economic policies have reduced. Okay, one party comes, other party comes, following the same economic policies. Those who want really different policies have no option available to them. Sometimes people cannot even elect very different leaders either, because the same set of leaders keep shifting from one party to another. In this election, you voted for the same person who was in the earlier election, he was in a different party. Likewise, you are not getting a meaningful choice. Okay, these are the challenges faced by the political parties during this time. Okay, this is about this session. Thank you very much.